So during my walkthrough, I noticed they have a lot of Crayola stuff at Dollar Tree, and they had these cute little like story dice, and they're all different kinds of little stories on them. And then they have a lot of like markers and Crayola crayons and glue sticks and colored pencils. And it has some pastel crayons and metallic ones. And then I found these cool stickers. I really liked them because you can use them for different projects. They had like going fishing and ballerina and some artsy ones. And then here's the whole collection, which some of these are throughout the school year, but I just thought that this would be a cute little project you can do with your kids. If you are a teacher or you're trying to make maybe little projects throughout the year, you can always come to Dollar Tree and pick these up and, help the kids decorate little projects or get little boards or poster boards, and they can do things throughout the year. So I thought that was really cool. And then they also have like I really like the art ones because they had crayons and different things, or you can even like spice them up maybe for like little areas in your classroom. So if you have an art area, you can maybe put some of these stickers on buckets or different ideas. I mean, it's endless. They even have like a little garden one. And then these are super cute. They are like little stencils that you can have the kids color on and create the little stencil designs in the background. And then I really like this one too. It was a little farmhousey, so you know me, I like the farmhouse stuff. And then as you can see at the bottom, they had some sharks stencils as well. Now this is your crafters area. This is usually there most of the year. But I really thought these were cute. They are foam letter stickers that I haven't really seen that often there. And so I just thought I can include this in this walkthrough because, I mean, who wouldn't want to use that in their classroom? And then they have the cute little bags. They also have some, I think it's temper paint. And they are some washable paint as well. So you can use these. They also have finger paint if you are teaching younger children. And so I just thought that this section would be great for teachers if you're looking to shop on a small budget. Of course, I like to be frugal and shop at different things. I also saw a lot of Dr. Seuss stuff. So Dr. Seuss, I know a lot of schools do Dr. Seuss week, so that would be awesome to do those as well. And then they have a lot of odds and ends, like here's some more Dr. Seuss that you can maybe put in like a little treasure box thing maybe for the week, or maybe you can give them out during that week. I thought these were super cute and adorable. I think they are either for your pencil. I know these are erasers. The other one looked like it could be maybe like a pencil little decor thing that you can slide your pencil in. And then they have some more little Dr. Seuss things. That was a little magnet, so it was very cute looking. And then they even have some flashcards, which I thought was super awesome. And they have tons of flashcards and other designs. They even have a little bulletin board, Dr. Seuss stuff. So I thought that was super cute because who doesn't like Dr. Seuss? And then as you can see, there's so much things they have at Dollar Tree. They have these magnetic window pockets I thought that was interesting. And then even ones that go over your chair, which would be awesome for your kiddos. They have counting chips, which I haven't seen those in years. And then they have some cute little dress up stuff. I know they get more stuff when Halloween gets closer. But if you got little ones or you have a little dress up area, why not buy some for your dress up area and have the little kids play on it. And then I found a lot of awesome books that I was shocked that they had. If you have a group of kiddos that need to learn to read, that are on a younger reading level, they have tons of them. And I thought that was super cool. They had Peanuts version. They had another Charlie Brown one. And this one was cute. It was time for school time, so you can get it and read it just in time for school. And then they have some PJ Mask ones, which is super cute for your younger kiddos. And as you can see, there's different levels. This one I think was the red one, but they had so many different ones at this Dollar Tree. Now, of course, each Dollar Tree is slightly different, but for $1, you can't beat that. They had some space books. So if you're a science teacher and you're going to be teaching about space, I think this is a really cool book that you can have in an area for your kids to read and look at all the different space stuff and travel. And then they have, let's see what else they have. They have some weather books, which I thought that was cool for science teachers. So if they want to learn about, different types of weathers and the clouds, thought that was really cool that they had. They have, as you can see, a lot of these little kiddo ones. They have this one, which is all about your color and shapes. So if you have younger kiddos, or if you're teaching in like a preschool, this is an awesome type of book that you can have out just for practice. I thought this was super cute as well for little kiddos. Look at all these cute little stickers that are in there. Of course, some of them will probably get lost, but they could go throughout the book and place them in the pictures, which I thought was really cute. And of course, it's Old MacDonald Had a Farm, or that type of song. Now, if you're doing ones about construction, this is another good book. So it has all kinds of construction stuff going on in there. And talking about all the trucks, and they even have stickers in here again. So I thought that was very cool of the type of books that they have. And it also includes like shapes, and then here's another level reader, and this one is Star Wars. So they have tons of different types of books, and I just thought that they had a lot of good books that children would like. And then I found this, guys. If you grew up reading Paddington as a kid, you would be like, oh my gosh, this is such a cute little book. And then they have one that is really good for younger kids, talking about dressing up or pretending to dress up like a doctor. And they have even cute stickers. So I thought that was very interesting and super cute. You could probably put on the stickers ahead of time if you really wanted to. That way, as they go through the book, they're not pulling out all the stickers and messing it up. So that's just a thought. And then look how super cute this one is for a little girl. And of course, we all know all the kids love Ryan's World. So if you wanted to have an extra little coloring book by, you can use that. And of course, Winnie the Pooh, learning about letters of the alphabet for your younger ones. This is really good for like pre-K and kindergarten. And they could practice tracing it. Even if you didn't want to keep this out, you can always maybe use this as a little tool for practice in your class. Maybe make copies or something, and you can have your kids practice. Here's another cute little book for your younger ones. And then here's another ready to read book for Daniel's play, which a lot of kiddos like Daniel. So I thought that was very cute.